Hello beautiful people, good morning. So for today's vlog, we do a lot of job today. So we're gonna start to cook the breakfast of my daughter because she start working already. So she asked me to cook pancit canton and boiled egg and her tea. So we're gonna do that first because time check is 9:30 a.m. So she start working around 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So yeah, I am the one to make her breakfast because she wake up 10 before 9 a.m. So no time for preparing her own breakfast. So I'm gonna do that for her because I don't want to uh, late her work today. So but and then after we gonna make her breakfast, we gonna give a bath for my three puppies. So I will show you my three puppies. They are so cute. We gonna take a bath them in the garden. So I will show you there, and hope you be with me the whole day because I have a lot to do the whole day today. So it's very hot. I'm sweating now. So we are in other part of my kitchen, uh, pantry, and some stuff, my appliances here, and my kitchen, the one I cook, is in the other side. So let's go there and let's start. Here guys, they are my two puppies. I don't know where Cotton is. So, yeah, we're gonna take a bath them because they are so dirty now. They are always underneath the car of my daughter. So, I think this is the gasoline, I think, or I don't know because they are so dirty right now. So, they need a bath. I give them a bath every 3 days, 2 days, something like that. It depends if they are very dirty and they are very hot. And then my kitty is here. This is Mama Kali. She gave birth to kitten. So I will show you next time her babies. And Mimi also give birth. So they are shifting giving milk for the cats because I put them in one one place. So they are shifting. And this is Bailey, our Labrador dog. Meet Bailey. Bailey. She is 4 months old, but she is very big. These two guys are 2 months old. Look at the difference of Aspin and Labrador. So, this is Max. Max is 1 year old. He's very shy, but very, very greedy doggy. Max, go out. Look at that. 2 months and 4 months old. Bailey is same size of Max because he's Labrador dog. And this is my beautiful Nana sleeping on the table. So we have a lot of animals inside the house, guys, because we are me and my two daughters are also my son is a pet lover, so we love dogs, cat, everything. So they are free to walk around our house. So yeah, so okay, let's gonna start cooking. So Bailey, stop. Bailey want to play the puppies, but sometimes Bailey is very big dog and this puppies is very small. So sometimes her he don't know that he hurting the puppies already. He biting the legs or the neck, and then of course the little puppy will cry. Look at that. Look what she did. He's biting that neck, and then later on they are fighting, And this little puppy will be crying. So look, he's biting her leg. Bailey, stop. No, that's puppy. Okay, we're gonna go to the kitchen and we're gonna start cooking the breakfast of my daughter. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. So guys, here is the other part of my kitchen, which I cooking the food and washing the dishes. So here is the one that I wash the dishes. I have put 6 plants on it because I love to see my kitchen have a green plant. Now we are going to outside in the garden to take about the puppy. Puppy is waiting me.